how to fix error code 57 in Valorant. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such error code on your Valorant, so here's what you need to do. So first just head over to your search bar and simply search in for CMD and run it as an administrator. So once you run it as an administrator, just type in the following keyword which I'll be showing you over here. In the following, that is sc delete vgc, and hit enter. And once you do that, just again type in sc delete vgk this time, and again hit the enter button. And once you do all of that, just restart your PC. And once you restart your PC, just come back to your desktop and simply head over to your wherever your Valorant is located. So in this case, it is inside my program files, and here you need to find the folder called Riot Vanguard. So you can basically right click on it and just delete it from over here. And if you can delete, just come over to your task manager from over here and just locate or search in for Riot Vanguard and simply in task, right click and in task for it, and you can easily delete it from over here. So once you delete that file, just restart your PC and your issues will be fixed successfully. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.